What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to another day in the life with Speedy Gons. We are currently en route to Kies Motorsports. It's 7:30 in the morning. I blame Cliff for this early morning appointment. Nah, I'm just playing. As you guys can tell, we are heading over there to install the AWE full touring exhaust, and I'm so excited. Hopping on the highway right now. We're on the AC Expressway. Got the car in Sport Plus mode, having a little bit of fun. And I'm honestly really excited to get rid of this drone in the car. So it's kind of bittersweet to turn the car on and have that one last muffler delete, cold start. It sounds so good, but as we're driving right now, the drone's just, it's got to go. We're refining that drone. I've done a bunch of research on, fab speed, on the M Performance exhaust, on the AWE exhaust. I'm really intrigued with the 180-degree technology. So I made the move. I pulled the trigger. I'm taking you guys along for the ride, of course. We'll be at Kies Motorsports in about 10-15 minutes. And I'll catch up with you guys. Alright, so from my understanding of the 180-degree technology, basically the exhaust has certain strategically placed ports throughout the exhaust that when the air is flowing through, basically what these ports do is allow that air to be recycled in a 180-degree technology fashion. So it recycles the air and then brings it back into the exhaust note at a more refined airflow, basically creating for what AWE calls the perfect exotic exhaust note. So I'm definitely excited to see. As they also mentioned, this basically allows for performance to be unlocked, for power gains to be unlocked. So we shall see. If you've been following my prior videos, you know I'm so excited to get rid of this drone in this car.
Introducing AWE Tuning's proprietary sound cancellation solution, 180 technology. An elegant concept that precisely identifies, isolates, and cancels out undesirable frequencies. As the exhaust gas enters our 180 technology-equipped resonator, it passes through strategically located ports. By controlling the size and location of the chamber and ports, we control when the sound waves re-enter the ports to join the free-flowing gases. By controlling the re-entry timing, we ensure that problematic tones are met with a 180-degree out-of-phase frequency. The sound produced by this formula is the perfect exotic signature note. Unlocked performance and perfect tone every time. That's 180 technology by AWE Tuning.
All right, so we got the windows down. First time starting it in the cabin. Let's do it. It's so loud. Definitely way louder than what it was with the muffler delete. Obviously, starting out, it's way louder and then kind of calms down a little bit, but that initial start is so loud. I absolutely love it. Let's rock and roll. So first impressions, I can definitely tell immediately, no drone, which that's pretty much one of the main things I was pretty much looking forward to. So definitely no drone. It sounds spectacular as you accelerate. I'm excited to get on the highway, but as of now, in the cabin, no drone. I mean, you can still hear it. It sounds great. I have the sunroof open, so it sounds phenomenal. The acceleration is definitely mean. The car feels so good. It feels just, I mean, I don't really feel any more of like a, they do say, I mean, it's going to be a performance, you know, unlocking performance, a minor performance upgrade. I don't really feel any difference in power or anything. So, I mean, you can't really feel the airflow as I kind of thought. Maybe you would feel a little bit more power, but it sounds spectacular. I don't know if you guys can hear that and the mic's picking that up, but it screams. It definitely screams, which is definitely what I wanted. So on cold start, it's loud as shit, so loud. It quiets down a little bit, so pretty much perfect liking for my taste. And then you want to accelerate and you want to get on in a little bit, it screams. So I'm definitely absolutely loving this. I'm gonna get on the highway in a little bit, put the windows down, see how that goes. So just hopped on the highway. I definitely spoke too soon. I can definitely feel a little bit more of the power delivery. It's definitely, it always has had that, you know, grip you back into your seat type feel, but it definitely is a little bit more now. And the sound is absolutely spectacular. And it, with the windows down, you can hear it screaming from the outside, but with the windows up, you can still hear it, but it's not too loud where I can't make a phone call, or it's not too loud that I can't hear myself think like the muffler delete. It's loud enough where you can hear it in the cabin, but it's still, it's a maintained sound. It's still that refined sound. It's nothing too crazy that's gonna be annoying. So I absolutely love it so far. I wish there wasn't as many cars on the road so I could actually get on it. But if you want to get on it, it screams. That's exactly what we wanted. So I'm so grateful. Cliff and Gary over at Kies Motorsports once again helping me out, taking care of me. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for, it's just, even for the simplest, littlest thing, they let me stay for a little while, and they were working on a 5 Series and a 3 Series, and they just let me shoot the shit with them, and I really just want to learn. They allowed me to just learn from them. So I'm super grateful for you guys. Thank you for the install. Thank you for just, it's cool to just make friends along the way, so thank you for that. I really do appreciate those little things, and I'm absolutely loving it already. Immediately you could tell a difference. Immediately you could tell a difference, not with just the sound, but the power delivery as well. So I'm definitely super salty right now that there's so much traffic that I can't really get on it, but it is what it is. So before I go ahead and wrap up this video, I will be doing, you know, more of a in-depth review of the AWE full touring exhaust with the mid-pipe. Once again, it's one of those things a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. I'm at the point where I definitely want to pay more for the quality. So you definitely just pay for the quality. That's all I ever stress to anyone who asks me anything. Like, if you don't buy it nice, you're gonna buy it twice. Just pay for quality. And for the amount of good reviews I've read online, AWE seems to be, you know, at the top of the list of the quality, the best for performance and gains and coupling with tunes, and so I'm super content. Like I've said 25 times already, but like I said, I will make a more in-depth review on the AWE exhaust. Just like that. Catch you guys in the next one. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for your boy. It really helps me out. I seriously do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.